Hey, how is everyone doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. I saw this advertised on, I think it was TikTok or YouTube Shorts, and it intrigued me. I usually am not into buying masks lately because I have so many masks already that I have to use up. But I saw this and the price of it was fairly inexpensive for skincare, and I like this company, Versed. I wanted to give it a try. I actually got mine off of Amazon because I just didn't feel like trying to find it in Target. I think that's where they might sell it. This is called Doctor's Visit Instant Resurfacing Mask. And I saw this demonstrated on somebody, and I am going to see if it looks as good. It almost makes your skin look like glass over time. That's what they say. So we're going to try it together, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on my skin as I test it out and kind of give you my thoughts on it. Now, what it says about it is it says it's vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, dye-free, FSC certified paper, I guess for recycling purposes, recycled materials, no parabens, no silicons, no SLEs, no SLS, no petroleum, no mineral oil, and no PEGs. It says it is the Versed Doctor's Visit Instant Resurfacing Mask. It contains AHA and BHA complex with pineapple enzymes. It says using weekly will give a radiance boost to your skin, helps to resurface your skin. It has exfoliating acids in it like lactic, glycolic, and salicylic acid, the fruit enzymes papaya, and pineapple. Let's use this together and I will tell you how I feel about it. I'm going to take it out of the container and I'm going to show you, this is what the packaging looks like. I love the packaging for Versed products. I don't know what they're very simple, but I really like them. It has that, and then let's see, like very jelly-like. See if it has a scent. No scent that I can detect. And we're going to test this out. So I am going to put this on my skin and let you see what it looks like. So what I'm doing right now is I just wash my face. My skin is dry. I'm going to apply an even layer of this mask all over my skin. Feels a little cooling. And then I'm going to leave it on my face for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to avoid my eye area. They tell you to do this once a week, and it's ideally supposed to be done at night. And now I am going to leave this on for about 2 to 3 minutes, and I'm going to come back and I will let you see what my skin looks like, tell you if I noticed anything different. And it's supposed to help with aging skin, it's supposed to help with dullness, it's supposed to actually make your skin look like glass over time. Oh, and I just looked, this is a cruelty-free product. You know, I can honestly say that after I use this mask, my skin does feel smoother. I think it looks better. And I've been using this now for about a month and I love it. So I would say for me personally, this is definitely a repurchase for me. I love it. I like the price. I like Versed. And I think it does make my skin look better. So I wanted to let you know about this mask. I will leave the information for it down in my description box. Take care, guys. Bye-bye from Marla.